If decimals has been a challenge to you as a pupil, if the only question you fail all the time in any mathematics examination is decimals, and if decimals seems tricky to you as a child, don't worry, I got your back on this. My name is Mr. Andrew Itagine, and I'm here to show you how to understand decimal in this course called Exploring Decimals. Exploring Decimals. I found out that decimals seems to be tricky to many children and seems to be a bit dicey to them. That's why I created this course to simplify decimal for you. Now, let's see what we are going to learn in this course. By the end of this course, you should be able to understand place value in decimals. You should be able to confidently add and subtract decimal numbers. You should also be able to multiply and divide decimal numbers. And you should be able to finally solve word problems on decimals. You should be able to confidently solve word problems on decimals. Now, what is a decimal number? What is a decimal number? A decimal is a number that includes a decimal point to show values less than 1. So decimal point shows values that are less than 1. So it is separated with a decimal point. The numbers on the left before the decimal point is called a whole number. And the numbers on the right after the decimal points is called the fractional parts. So the decimal point separates the whole number from the fractional parts. If you notice, I have 1, which is the whole number, my decimal point. Then I have 357. 357 is my fractional parts, and they are less than 1. Let's proceed. Let's look at this place value charts. The place value charts. Remember, we say decimals shows value less than 1, and they have decimal points that separates the whole number from the fractional parts. We say that the numbers on the left, which is before the decimal points, are called whole numbers. Numbers on the right after the decimal points are called fractional parts. So this is a place value chart to teach us. I have my decimal points. On the left, I have ones, known as units, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and millions. On the right, I have tenths. The first value of the fractional part is tenths. So I have tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. So this is the place value chart. So if I'm to read it, I have 9 tenths, 400. Now if I'm to read it, I have 57,832.94. 57,832.94. I want you to read that yourself, okay? Feel free, relax, calm down, and read it. 1, 2, go. 57,832.94. 832.94. Hooray! I'm super proud of you. Alright, in our next video, we're going to see the decimal place value, and also we will see how to carry out the basic operations on decimals. Basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and word problems on decimals. Thank you so much for watching this course and for watching this video. Feel free to watch it again for better understanding. Bye bye.